Welcome to the Zebrabuzz platform. Today, I will guide you through the process of creating an e-commerce store, how to add your products, and all product orders. First, ensure your Facebook page is connected to your Zebrabuzz account. If you're unsure how to connect your Facebook account to the system, please watch the video linked in the comments. Zebrabuzz is an AI social media automation platform developed to help e-commerce owners collect leads and sell their products through automation. 1. To get started, click on the e-commerce store menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Then click on the Create Store button. 2. Give your store a name and choose the Facebook page you want to use to sell your e-commerce products. In this tutorial, we will not create a store inside Messenger. There will be another video on how to set up e-commerce on Facebook Messenger, so I will not select a page. 3. Now, provide the required information about your store, such as your store name, email address, logo, etc. Then click on Create a Store and your store will be created. This is where you will see stats of your store performance once your store is up and running. 4. Now click on the Visit Store menu to check your e-commerce store. You can see that there are no products available in the store. 5. Now, let's add some products. Go to the Products menu to add a product. Click on the Add button, give the product name, price, and sell price, and add the product thumbnail image and featured image. Then save. Follow the steps to add more products. 6. Go to the store again. You can see that your product is now available. Your customers will need to click the Buy button to purchase your product. Let's click the Buy button and see. 7. Your customers will be prompted to log in. They will click OK and log in. If they haven't logged in before, but if this is their first time, they will need to create an account. Click on Register Now. Fill out the form and click on the Register button. Eight. After registering, click on the Buy Now button again. When the checkout page comes up, customers will need to fill out their delivery address, decide the number of products they are buying, and confirm the price. Then click on the Proceed Checkout button. 9. This left window will come up with different payment methods you've added to your store, which help your customers choose the payment method they'd like to pay you with. It's easy for you to integrate any of these payment methods into your e-commerce store. Go to the Checkout Settings menu on the right. Fill in the necessary account information for your payment options, then scroll down and turn on the payment options you wish to use on your store. Once you finish the settings, scroll down and click the Save button. Payment options integration is complete. 10. Customers will choose from your payment options to pay with. I will choose cash on delivery as my preferred payment method. Once they make a choice, your customers will see that they've successfully placed an order. They will also see that the order is pending. 11. You will go to the e-commerce store and click on the Orders menu again. You will see that a new order has arrived. Status? Pending, same status your customer saw. 12. At this time, you may choose to open the invoice and see the order details and the amount paid. 13. When you are done, you will need to upgrade the status. Click on the Status drop-down menu. Here, you will see many types of status. If everything about the order checked out right, approve the order. 14. You may choose to write a little note that will get to your customer along with the status update. Hit Submit, and you are done. Payment status has been updated successfully. 15. If your client refreshes their order invoice, the status will change from pending to approved. This is it for today. Thanks for watching. Before you go, subscribe and like our channel.